Alrighty, let's do StudyLink 311 for 4th grade everyday math called Open Sentences. And we've seen several of these from the last few study links about true or false. So first up, we have 35 equals 7 times 5. Well, 7 times 5 is 35. 35 equals 35. Yes, it does. That is true. Look at the one below that. We have 25 plus 25, which is 50, is less than 50. Is 50 less than 50? No, that can't be. That one must be false. And then the other two over here, do those on your own. Next bit, we need to just make it true by filling in the numbers. So remember, parentheses go first. So 3 plus 3 is 6. That goes first. Then we have 12 divided by 6. And hopefully you know that that is 2. Okay? And I think the rest of those you can do on your own. Just remember, parentheses go first before you do the other bit. And then the next bit, we are adding parentheses just to make a true number sentence. So let's see. I just like to try and see if it works. So if I put parentheses here, that would give me 12. 4 times 12 would be 48. That does not work. What if I tried them here? Then I have 4 times 2, which is 8. 8 plus 10 is 18, so that is true. That would work. Below there, what do we have? What if I put them here? 9 divided by 3 is 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Oh, again, that wouldn't work. Let me try them in another place. What if I put them here and there? 27 divided by 9 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that would work. And then the next two, again, try these on your own. Just you have to put the parentheses around here, or you can put them around here. See what works. The next bit is a little bit new. And what you need to know here is that when you put letters in to a number sentence, it means you're trying to figure out what number would replace those letters. So here we have X, S, Y, and X in 4 different number sentences. We've got to figure that out. So in the past, maybe you saw something like 4 plus blank equals 10, or 4 plus question mark equals 10. It's the same thing. You could put any letter, so I could have 4 plus J equals 10, and to solve it, I need to figure out what is J, and J in this number sentence would be 6. So back here we go, and we have the first one is 12 plus X equals 32. So what would we put in place of X to make that true? Well, 12 plus 20 would be 32, so the solution is 20. In the number sentence, we just replace the X with a 20, and that's the number sentence. Okay, the next one, 200 minus 3, and S is by itself on the other side. So what is 200 minus 3? That's your solution. And then you'd have your solution equals 200 minus 3 over here for your number sentence. So new idea, but hopefully you can figure out what those letters would be. And the last bit here is some addition and subtraction. But if you were in my class, I would like you to please use partial sums for the addition, and I would like you to use expanded column for subtraction, and I will remind you of what those are right here. So we'll do one of each to remind you. So please rewrite very neatly with neat columns, and you can go from left to right or right to left. I will go from left to right. So first, I'm going to start with my thousands place, and nothing plus 7,000 is 7,000. I will do my hundreds next. 300 plus 500 is going to give me 800. And next, tens, 60 plus 60 is 120. And finally my ones, 6 plus 5 is 11. And now I simply add those up, and there is my answer. Expanded column subtraction, you need a little bit of space for this because we have 4-digit numbers, which means 4 columns. So 4,805. I have a column of 4,000. I have a column 800. I have 0 in my tens place, and I have 5 in my ones place. And 2,927 would look like that. And we've got to subtract, but it looks like there's a problem here, there's a problem here. We need to go all the way to the thousands to move our stuff over. Wow, okay, so we're gonna put 800 to 700, and that extra 100 we just took away goes there. Yeah, so now we have 100 there. But now we need to actually move that, we need to take 10 from that, so that becomes 90, and now we have 15 there. But over here, we still have a problem here, so let's go ahead and take 1,000 from here, so this becomes 3,000. We'll add that 1,000 over there, and now we are ready to subtract. So this shows your understanding of subtraction much better than the method most people use. And now the answer we can see is going to be 1,878. So please do the other two with partial sums and expanded column subtraction. And that is it for HomeLink 3.11 Everyday Math 4th grade. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.